Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video we're taking a look at a question from SAT Math Level 2 Subject Test material. So this is a question a student emailed me about this week, and for this question they give us a function f of x equals e to the x, and g of x equals f of x plus the inverse function of x, and then they ask us for g of 2. And my student's question was about the inverse function. How do I find f to the negative 1 of x? What's this part all about? So we're going to focus there. So the key with inverse functions, if f of x equals e to the x, remember f of x can be switched out for y. F of x equals e to the x is similar to saying y equals e to the x. And to take the inverse just means you're going to switch the x and the y. So here, if we had x equals e to the y as the inverse, now if we try to solve for y, whatever we get as our result will be the inverse function. So we're trying to get y by itself, and let's figure out how to do that. When you have a base of e, then to get rid of that, you're going to take the natural log of both sides. So this is going to be natural log of x equals natural log of e to the y. And when you have an exponent inside a natural log function, you can bring it out front, and you can cancel out natural log, which is the same thing as saying log base e, with the e. So here when you have ln of e, this is actually going to equal 1. So this will simplify to y equals natural log of x, which is the same thing as saying that that is the value of our inverse function. Our inverse function is natural log of x. So for this, we're going to have f of x, which is e to the x, plus natural log of x, when we plug in those two values. And for g of 2, it just means we're going to plug in a 2 in place of x in each part of this function. So for that, we would have g of 2 equals e squared plus natural log of 2. And that comes out to, I don't have the exact decimal on me, so you'll have to plug that into your calculators and make sure that you get it right. But it should come out to be around 8. So this will equal 8 point something or another. Let me see if I can find what that exact decimal is. It's 8.1 for this question, is what it comes out to as your answer on that one. So remember, inverse functions, write it out in terms of y and x rather than dealing with the f of x, and then switch your x and y and solve. For more, please feel free to watch our other videos, and thanks for watching.